What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Rouse. Today we are going to open our Yeezy Gap hoodie. It came in the mail. Let's check it out, see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, so Yeezy working with Gap, making his Yeezy brand with the Gap. And one of the first items that he released, of course, the jacket. We didn't get that. Not feeling it. But we were feeling the hoodie, right? I love hoodies. So let's see what this Yeezy Gap hoodie is all about. Alright, let's check it out. My box is all jacked up, beat up. Came like that. Alright, so the hoodie looks like it's intact in this brown packaging. So first of all, packaging, garbage, trash. Rip this bad boy open. Alright, so I went with the purple. Alright, here we go. Here is the purple Yeezy Gap hoodie. Color is dope. It is actually really heavy. Like, this thing is not your normal hoodie from Walmart. Yes, a lot of people on the internet are saying, oh, I can go get that hoodie at Walmart, Russell Athletics, for like $8.99. Well, bro, I'm here to tell you, this thing is super heavy, super heavyweight. Not a whole lot on it. It does have in the inside the Yeezy tag, Yeezy Gap mashup, the white and blue of Gap just changed out into the Yeezy letters. That's about it. It is cropped. I'll try it on, but it is a little shorter than most hoodies and has super long sleeves and a pretty oversized hoodie part of it. Stitched very well, though. I must say, it is really good stitching. I wonder if the color will fade. I don't know. We'll wear it, rock it, and see what it is. But yeah, that's it. There it is. The Yeezy Gap hoodie. Let me know what you think. Holla at your boy, Mr. Rouse.